Hi you guys and girls from YouTube. I'm just doing another video here and I'm going to show you the best way to mix paint for airbrushing. So please stay tuned. So you want to take the paint. This is a American satin and we're going to shake it up. Shake it up, make sure you get the paint nice and mixed. Okay, and when you open it up, you see all these little things on top here? Make sure you clean your bottle and take these off. Okay, these can really mess up airbrushing if they fall in while you're mixing paint. And you want to peel those off and get those off there, like so. You can use your fingernail. I hope you can see this. Okay, just get those off. Keep your bottles nice and clean. And when you mix paint, you want to put in about a dot. Okay, you see that right there? All right, that's a certain viscosity. Okay, watch. See, it sticks to, sorry about that, it sticks to the stick. Okay, if it sticks to the stick, it's not going to get through your airbrush. Okay, therefore, you want to add in about just as much fluid, okay, or what we call the thinner for acrylic, which is a base of glycerin and distilled water. You make that up in just about a little more than what you have for the paint itself. And I use a straw and I just mix it up like this with the straw. We're using this cap because it has a dark background and you can see it. Okay, of course I didn't mix up enough here, but they say, oh, a consistency of milk. Well, if it looks like milk because it's white, sure, it may be another color. So how do you know it's going to be milk? Well, you look at it, you look at the end of the, if you had more of this, and if it slightly drips off your stick, then you know it'll go through your airbrush. So see how it swirls around like that? See, like that? That's about the consistency you want. Geez, I can't talk today, I'm sorry guys, but see how it swirls around like that? Now, when you put that in your airbrush, your cup, you're going to spray it through. Spray it on a piece of cardboard. If you see spidering, okay, when it spiders out, it means it's too thin. So you have to add some paint in, add a drop of paint in, okay? And if it's the other way, if it's too thick, it's not going to come out of your airbrush and it may give you speckling. So try to get it like this. See that? So I hope this helps you in some way. It's trial and error with airbrush paint, but usually, you know, close to half and half for paint to acrylic thinner, and just maybe a dot more of acrylic thinner just to get it to spray. So have a good day. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the little bell over here in the corner here. See my finger? And that'll notify you for new videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.